Hello, welcome to Proggy. Today we'll be showing you how to make Firefox forget just 5 minutes of your history. So generally when you want Firefox to forget the history, what you do is you go to the menu, then you go to the history, and then click on clear recent history, right? But here if you see, you're only getting options like last hour, last 2 hours, or last 4 hours. You're not getting last 5 minutes, right? You don't want to clear last hour's history. So how to do it? You have to click on this white area in your menu bar, and then you have to go to customize toolbar. Here you will see forget option. So this is hidden by default. So you have to take it and drag it and place it. Simple, right? Let's click done here. Now let's see on clicking it what happens. Oh, this is a new one. So now we can choose this particular option, forget the last 5 minutes only, and let's click on forget. Of course, the action cannot be undone, so it is giving you a warning. Oh, it's so simple. Hope that helped you. Thank you.